In this video, I'm going to show you the Jacuzzi JSCS40. This is a salt chlorine system for up to 40,000 gallons of water. So here's the control center and power unit for the salt system. And then you have the salt cell itself, and it comes with a 9-foot cord. And in the box is the installation and operation manual. There's also this metal bracket here to mount the control center onto your wall in your equipment area. And also included are these two 2-inch unions to plumb the salt cell in. Also included is this tool to clean the salt cell. There's no muriatic acid needed to clean the salt cell. You would simply take this tool and put it in between the plates of the cell and clean all the calcium off. And to minimize any kind of errors or problems with the system and to make it more reliable, there is no temp sensor or flow switch with this salt system. So the cell uses a universal sensor inside it to constantly check the proper temperature and conductivity. And this universal sensor also checks the flow of water going through the cell. And the system is backed by a 2-year manufacturer warranty, but if you purchase it at Leslie's Pool Supply, you'll get a 3-year extended warranty to their equipment protection plan, so the 2-year warranty becomes a 3-year warranty. And the cell features this really nice clear casing. You can easily see inside here to see if there's any calcium buildup on the cell plates. And I mentioned that you don't need muriatic acid to clean this particular salt cell, which is definitely a bonus. All you do is take this nut on the back and unscrew it. Then you'll pull the salt cell out like this. So to clean the salt cell, you simply take this included tool and you're going to slide it in between the plates here to break up any calcium that may be on the plates. And I think one of the best features of this system is that you don't need muriatic acid to clean the salt cell. This will also extend the life of the salt cell itself. And these titanium plates on the salt cell itself are rated for 15,000 hours of use. And so this is a very user-friendly and easy salt system to maintain. And the control center has been designed to withstand temperatures over 100 degrees. It's been designed for the harsh environments of Arizona or the California desert. And the control center is dual voltage, so you can use this either at 110 or a 220 volt equipment pad. It comes factory shipped, set at 220 volts. So here's a look at the control center. You have an on-off button here. You also have increase output and decrease output here. By pressing this button, you'll increase and decrease the chlorine output. Then you have the chlorine output indicator here. You have 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. You also have the system status lights. You have the power light. You have a service light indicating any kind of problem with the system. And you also have the polarity light. And this salt system features polarity switching. The cell plates change from positive to negative conductivity automatically. And this is a self-cleaning effect that minimizes calcium buildup. And so this is a very simple and user-friendly control panel. So you can see that the JSCS40 is loaded with a lot of great features. It also produces up to 1.2 pounds of chlorine per day. This would be a great saltwater generator for your pool. I really like the fact that you can clean the salt cell without using muriatic acid, and that the power unit control center is also rated for very high temperature areas like Arizona and the California high desert. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.